Howdy, stranger.
Oh, hey there. Good looking. Yeah, dude.
I'm always looking at the weird stuff you do. What are you doing?
Oh, working on the forge shop. Just trying to figure out how to get it all to flow. So I'm thinking about putting the forge stand right here now. I found a crook in the tree that the blower sits in. I'm going to put this 90 down here and got this ABS black pipe that goes in the back of the truck, and this 90 comes out of there. Fits in there real good. I was going to dig down that in there, and I was thinking about taking the top of this 2-liter bottle, go in and take a marker and put it in the center like that, and draw around the outside of it, and then clip down, and put it back on this way, and then pull those down and put some screws in them, and then take some tape and tape that in there and put a 3/4 out of that so I can reduce into the forge pan piece of steel pipe. I don't know if that's going to melt that if I don't have it far enough away. The heat can draw out the pipe, but if I have enough air going, don't worry about that piece there being blasted. So, you know, this is what I got.
Foraged for stuff.
I got some oil in there. I'd run it for you. But I'll have that, and it's coming down. I'm gonna wire that up there. Got some of this copper wire here. You're gonna use that so you know shit don't rust. Rust at all, boys. Promise you. You got no that yellow streak there. You use this full wire. You gotta use that copper. It's expensive. Ain't very good wire, but not for doing this kind of stuff. That's probably about. There ain't much there, huh?
Best dressed assistant ever. Over here, just gonna, you know, make a video of how not to do things the first time. Give me a minute. I thought it would be better to kind of see what you're doing.
Tying it on there a little bit so it's part of the structure. Rust nice. Get loose. That's good, huh?
It is.
Like butter. I know it. Steps. Look at the thing it kind of do.
Very nice.
Oh, Mark Henderson.
Tips from under the shade tree. I love it.
Yeah, the reason we're using copper plating, gentlemen, is copper was laying right here. So it's a sign from Thor. Somehow the energy runs better through this device when there's copper wire on it. We all know we don't want to upset Thor.